Good evening, listeners, and welcome to Front Porch Mysteries with Carol Townsend. Normally, we'd gather again on this porch to share a tale rooted in the South, whether in her forests, her rivers, her mountains, or bayous. But tonight, I have something different to share with you. On June 25th, my husband and I were driving to a rare midweek date destination. We had planned to go to a nice restaurant, followed by a concert we've been wanting to see for years. On our way to the restaurant, we were involved in a head-on collision. Both of my legs were broken in several places, my ankles were broken, my kneecaps were badly damaged, one of my fingers was broken, and 4 ribs were broken. I went into shock at the scene and woke up in the trauma department of a wonderful local hospital. Since then, I've had 3 surgeries, 2 on my legs and 1 on my hand. I expect to have 2 more. My husband escaped with relatively minor injuries, but he's still suffered a great deal as he's taken care of me, our home, the business of such a wreck, his job, and more. He's a true hero. I share all of this with you not to garner pity or to make excuses. I share it with you to explain why I will not be sharing a story with you this evening from the front porch. I tried to research, write, and record a wonderful legend for you, the Mothman, and that's coming. I just realized that my body and my brain needed to rest and recover, just as my legs and ribs needed that time to heal. You have all been so faithful with your listening, and it breaks my heart to come to you this evening with this story of sorts. But I believe in thorough research, top-notch writing, and excellent delivery to listeners, and I will not compromise that. I truly hope you'll continue to tune in, as my goal is to bring another story to the porch in 2 weeks. A lot has to happen between now and then, but that is my goal. Thank you so much for your kind words and for listening to Front Porch Mysteries. You are the reason that we do what we do. This is Carol Townsend.